Hey friends, hope you all are doing great. During these lockdown times, I have so much time at my hand. I wanted to do something that's productive, so I thought I would take up a hobby. The hobby that I was thinking about should not only be filling my time, but it should also be productive and something that I am really excited about. I used to do acrylic color paintings every now and then, but never took it up as a hobby. Then recently I stumbled upon this greeting card making video, and it was hand painted with watercolors. The beautiful texture, the transparency, the flow of watercolors was so beautiful. I instantly got hooked onto it and I immediately knew what I wanted to do. I used to do a bit of drawing as a child like everybody else, but never actually pursued it. I picked up few basic tips of drawing along the way, and I knew I will need a lot of practice if I'm really going to pursue it as a hobby. So my plan was, instead of just starting to paint different objects, I wanted to concentrate on one particular category. I wanted to put in a lot of practice to that one specific category and then take it from there. Currently I am so obsessed with flowers. So I thought I will put in all my practice to drawing and painting different kinds of flowers. I thought I'll give around 7 days time for myself to practice different kinds of flowers and try to develop on that skill, and then I'll see where it goes. I was really taking this hobby thing seriously. I was so excited and putting a lot of time into practicing all these different kinds of flowers. And as I finished each flower, I used to feel this sense of accomplishment, like I achieved something. After spending a couple of days brushing at my drawing skills, I started with colors. But it was not as easy as I thought. It's easier to paint sceneries, but when it comes to specific objects, the layering, the coloring, the shading, it is not so easy. I made a lot of mistakes, but I kept on practicing and practicing till I was satisfied. By the end of the week, I had put in hours and hours of practice. And though I was not perfect, I wanted to do something that would result as an outcome of all the practice and hard work that I had put in. So I decided to make a card. I would like to dedicate this card to you guys for watching this video till the end, for supporting me and my small channel. If this video inspired you to take up a hobby, and if you like the video, do hit the like button and show some support by subscribing to the channel as well. I'll be bringing to you more such videos from my daily life. So see you in the next. Till then, bye.